Here's how you replace an LED driver in a Craftsman path light. First, turn the fixture on its back and remove the Phillips head screws. Next, take your hex head and then remove or just loosen the set screw on the top face. Once that's done, slowly pull the old unit out, set it aside. At the bottom is an insect plug, remove the insect plug. The new one comes with the new unit. Next, fish the wire at this point. Be careful, grab the drive circuit and slide it down into the copper stem and slowly and easily pull down. At this point, slide it on and lock your two set screws down. Once that's complete, take your plug, slide it over the wire, push it down, keep the insects out. Easiest if you pick the unit up, flip it over, just get them started. Once you're started, go back with your Phillips head, take them down just snug, and then go around and just give them one little quarter turn tight.